Hi guys! I hope you're doing well. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is David and welcome to UTECHPIA. I just got the new Apple Watch Series 5, the Nike Plus edition in the 44mm screen size. Yep, this is an awesome watch and I love this thing. So naturally, I want to protect the screen without any compromises. I want the vibrant colors, the brightness, the sharpness, and the touch sensitivity to all be intact with the screen protector installed. So, searching on Amazon, I found there are lots of screen protectors out there, but honestly, I had a real hard time finding the perfect one. Some are plastic films, which feels rubbery and are prone to developing bubbles underneath. Some are made out of glass, which is great, but they don't cover the entire watch screen, so they look terrible. I was really excited when I heard that WhiteStone also makes their famous stone glass for the Apple Watch. I've been using WhiteStone dome glass for all of my phones, and I really love the quality of their tempered glass screen protectors. The Apple Watch version of the dome glass uses the exact same technology found in their popular phone screen protector, which means it provides excellent protection without taking away from the brilliant device experience regarding the screen brightness, clarity, and touch sensitivity. Also, if you ever need to take off the screen protector, it comes off easily without damaging your Apple Watch. This one works for the Apple Watch Series 4 as well as the Apple Watch Series 5. WhiteStone makes the dome glass for both the 44mm watch face as well as the 40mm watch face. They even have a limited lifetime warranty, which means that if your dome glass ever gets damaged or worn out, you can request a replacement through WhiteStone's website and they'll take care of you. They're really good with customer service. The only downside to this awesome screen protector is the installation process, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes, especially if it's your first time installing one of these. But don't worry, we'll do the installation together and I'll walk you through each step of the way. Here are 2 quick tips to get you started right off the bat. The first tip is to make sure you do the installation in a dust-free environment. So watch out for windows and air vents that might blow dust onto your screen while you're doing the installation. You definitely do not want that. And the second tip I have for you is that you can use a USB power bank to power the UV curing lamp. That way you can do your installation anywhere you want without looking for an electrical outlet. Here's what's included in the kit. The UV curing lamp, a micro USB cable for the UV curing lamp, a detailed manual with step-by-step instructions, the installation manual for the metal bumper case, alcohol wipes, cleaning cloths, dust removal stickers, the level bar, absorption pad, and you get not 1 but 2 tempered glass screen protectors. This is perfect if you have 2 Apple Watches. You get the metal bumper case, 2 bottles of adhesive. You only need 1, but the second bottle is for backup in case you mess up and you need to try again. You get the bottom tray and the top tray. Make sure you note how the top tray is oriented with the bottom tray. Also note the arrows on the top tray, which indicates where on the watch screen you're going to be putting the liquid adhesive. And you get the bottom tray. Keep in mind how the top tray is oriented in relation to the bottom tray. Alright, let's get started. Step number 1. Make sure you're on a leveled working surface. I use the Measure app on my iPhone, but you can also just roll a bottle of adhesive on the surface to make sure it's leveled. Step 2. Remove the watch strap and turn off the watch. Step 3. Use the alcohol wipe to clean the screen all the way to the edges. Step 4. Dry off the screen with the cleaning cloth. Step 5. Carefully place the watch into the bottom tray. Step number 6. Place the absorption pad into the bottom tray. Step 7. Line up the top tray by matching the fixed tape part of the bottom tray with the level bar insertion part of the top tray. Press down on all 4 corners to make sure it's seated all the way. Step 8. Use the dust removal stickers to remove any visible dust on your screen. Take your time. You want to make sure there are no visible specks of dust. Step number 9. Insert the level bar into the fixed tape of the bottom tray. Make sure it slides in all the way. Step number 10. Take your adhesive bottle and unscrew the gray cap. Don't worry, the liquid adhesive won't come out yet. It's locked in there until you unscrew the other end of the adhesive bottle. Step number 11. Hold the adhesive bottle vertically over the center of the watch. Pay attention to the arrows on the top tray. Hold it very close to the screen so that the liquid adhesive won't splash when you release it. Now, carefully unscrew the black upper cap of the adhesive bottle and allow the liquid adhesive to pour out from the bottle onto the watch face. Step number 12. Wait for about 5 seconds for the liquid adhesive to finish pouring out and then remove the bottle. Step number 13. Carefully remove the liner on the back side of the tempered glass screen protector. Step number 14. Starting from the bottom, which is farthest away from the fixed tape, place the glass onto the level bar. Step number 15. This is the most difficult step of the entire installation. So watch this step several times to make sure you fully understand it. That way you can get it perfect on your first try. Here's what you gotta do. Push down on the bottom part of the bottom tray, and then once the liquid adhesive touches the tempered glass, immediately pull out the level bar and stop pushing on the bottom tray. The reason why it's difficult is you gotta do both action at the same time. So practice it before you do it on the actual installation. Step number 16. Wait for about 30 seconds for the adhesive to spread completely. Make sure you do not touch the screen while the adhesive is spreading. Step 17. Place the UV lights over the watch and turn it on for 15 seconds. Step number 18. Remove the top tray and the absorption pad. Use the hole on the bottom of the bottom tray to gently take out the watch from the tray. Be super careful as the adhesive is not fully cured yet. Step number 19. Use the alcohol wipe to clean any excess adhesive. Be sure to wipe along the edges, but again, be gentle as the adhesive is not fully cured yet. Step number 20. This is the final curing step. Place the UV lamp over the watch and turn it on for 1 minute. Step 21, and that's it. You're done. Just power on your Apple Watch and you're good to go. Now you can enjoy the perfectly installed WhiteStone dome glass screen protector on your Apple Watch. Everything looks amazing. The screen is just as bright as before, the colors are vibrant, and everything looks clear and sharp. The screen feels smooth and responsive, just like touching the native Apple Watch glass. You can install the included bumper case for extra protection. However, the case is a loose fit, so it rattles when the watch vibrates, which makes the watch sound like a toy. Yet, without the bumper case, it's easy to feel and touch the edges of the screen protector, which I kinda not like that. So I've been going back and forth between using the bumper case and not. Since the bumper case is a loose fit, if you bump it just right, it falls off pretty easily. And of course, the bumper case makes the watch look a tiny bit larger. So if that's not your thing, that's totally fine, because you can use the dome glass screen protector all by itself. But this review isn't about the bumper case, it's about the screen protector. And I can confidently say that the WhiteStone dome glass screen protector is simply the best screen protector out there for any price for your Apple Watch Series 5 as well as your Apple Watch Series 4. So the question I have for you is, do you use a screen protector on your Apple Watch? If so, which one? Alright guys, and that's the end of this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to UTECHPIA. Your support is always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey! Hello? Are you still there? Oh, there you are. I see you. Thanks for sticking around. Well, if you want to see more videos, check out these. And yeah, these are pretty interesting videos. I hope you like them. And thanks again for watching. I totally appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Well, I'm gonna head out now, so I'll see you later. Bye.